Hello everyone, welcome back to Pondering Creations Farm. I don't know what happened, but all of a sudden it's fall. I've got leaves changing and they're all over the pond. And it's crazy. My beauty bush is really starting to bloom, and I actually saw an article that you can make jam out of these beautiful berries, so I'm definitely going to try that this year. Guys, I finally got some beans, and you know how I did it? I hid it in this morning glory. And the goat didn't find it, and the groundhog didn't find it. All mine. It is a hot, gross day, and the last day for the meat birds. Yay! Yay! I know, I'm sorry. I know you're hungry. You begging? I'm sorry, buddy. You can't have food today. You're on a diet. Now everybody's at their places. Look at that beard. Look at how pretty this flower is, Keeg. Well. Gave you anything. You're pretty strong. Check back in on our spider friend from the other day. I'm trying to get his web. He's got lots of bugs on it. I weeded my fairy garden. So while the guys were taking care of the chickens, I came back and I moved Petunia's house a little bit closer to the boys' house so their doors were closer. Really want her to start going in there with them at night. I don't know, she seems to love that little house we gave her. I also gave her her milk, and we dewormed the goats today. So I made them little burritos, little leaf burritos, and I do it that way, and I'll repeat it again in 6 weeks. And I really just want to thank everyone for tuning in today. You can also check out our website. I've actually been updating it, but there's going to be some changes made to it where we're actually going to be selling some merchandise on there. So look forward to that. And we have our holiday stuff coming up. So can't wait to do the Not So Spooky Trail. And you can really help us out if you could subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you at the farm.